What's up, guys? Welcome back to Corvette Garage. So this is just a quick little video. I didn't plan this. I completely forgot. I said, you know, I'll just make a video about this. This will be pretty cool. So what I purchased here is a Tech 2 from China. And I kind of already opened it. I didn't take everything out yet, but it's pretty decent packaging. So I bought this for 250 bucks. I think it's called on AliExpress.com or whatever. I did my research on the forums and, you know, some other websites. And a lot of guys are using this and they say it works just as good. A friend of mine who is a technician at Chevrolet, he also told me that, you know, he has the real Tech 2. He spent thousands of dollars on that, but he's a technician. That's his, you know, that's his bread and butter. So he said that he's seen people use these and heard of them, and I don't remember if he told me he used one himself, but very, very good for what you get. You know, I think I spent $265 on this shipped. The shipping was free. So let's open it up. So this will be an unboxing for the Tech 2. I already opened this part. They come pretty much open this part. Use my little trusty knife here. There we go. So it's pretty good packaging. Put that right there. And this comes with a boatload of stuff. So this must be the Tech 2. Gonna have to put this down and open it, so hang on, guys. Okay, guys, sorry, I'm back. I actually went and ran errands. I was gone for about an hour and a half. Funny. Don't really edit my videos too much. But anyways, this looks like it's the unit right here. So, here we go. Okay, alright. So, put that there. So this is the unit. Pretty cool, huh? Looks just kind of like a Tech 2. A Tech 2. It's got the plastic on the screen, and I mean, I don't know if I can power this up without, probably not, because I think this requires, I've never owned one of these, so pretty sure it requires the OBD2 port to be plugged in to turn this thing on. I don't even know how to use this. I need to learn how to use it. So this is the unit itself. So that's what that looks like. Get a better picture of it there. And then this came with a buttload of cables. So it looks like we have oh wow, nice. It's got a, yeah, must be the power for the car. The cigarette lighter port. With some other kind of, I don't know if that's a Cat 3 or Cat 4 cable. I have no idea. Which looks like some kind of serial H or whatever port that is, serial port. So I'll put that there. Okay, some kind of other, I don't know if this is a testing tool to test power. I have no idea. Looks like a power adapter. So this must be the power adapter, I guess, maybe, if I want to run it without plugging it in the car. A bunch of ports here, plugs, probably for different things. And this looks like a serial cable, or maybe not, DVI, maybe DVI. Some kind of DVI style cable. I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments. I'll figure it out, though. I usually figure stuff out. And this looks like, I have no idea what that is. I don't know. It's big though. It's actually almost as big as the unit. That's that. And then looks like a CD and stickers. Hey, look at that. They even give you a Tech 2 stickers. That's pretty cool. So, interesting. So this thing was supposed to come with a card because they asked me if I wanted the card in English. So I'm wondering if it's in... Okay, hang on here. Okay, yeah, it's already... So there's a card already installed there. This must be the card they're talking about. This is obviously going to be... I'm going to use this not just for my Corvette, but I'm going to use this for, you know, if I have friends who need help or whatever. My mom has an '03 Impala. She has some issues in that car, so I'm going to use it for that. She's got an issue where she starts the car and then it stalls immediately. She's got to hold the gas pedal down for about 3 seconds. I don't know if it might be the TPS. I'm not sure. And then her AC doesn't work, so I don't know if it's a compressor, a sensor maybe, because I know they have sensor issues on those cars. But I work for Chevrolet, so I know for a fact it could be the compressor because I delivered a buttload of compressors for GM cars back when I worked for Chevrolet, and I was a delivery driver for a short while. But I'll be using it for that. I have an 18 Chevy Volt, but I don't think it'll work on that. I think I have to get a different card, but I'll probably get the card for that because I'm going to keep my Volt. So, so yeah, this is the unit right here. Pretty cool. Tech 2 stickers. Talk about faking the funk, huh? Anyways. So, I'll be coming out with some more videos soon. Going to be sending the heads out to have a Texas Speed do the CNC on them, and then I'll do a video on installing those, and I'll do a video like when I get the heads back and everything. So this is just a short video to show you the Tech 2. I said, hey, just make an unboxing video, show you guys what it looks like. I'm sure some of you on this channel might have the Chinese Tech 2, but instead of spending $5 or $7 grand, you get 300 or 250 bucks, and you know, see how it works. So I might do a video on showing everyone how it works. We'll see. I'm sure there's a lot of videos out there. But anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one.